This is your dashboard, the command center for your restaurant. It's designed to give you an immediate snapshot of your day and quick access to the tools you use most. At the very top, you'll see a personalized greeting and your user role, in this case, administrator. To the right, we have two essential buttons. First is the Copy Booking Link button. This is a crucial tool. With one click, it copies your unique reservation URL to your clipboard. You can instantly paste this into social media posts, emails, or text messages to let customers book tables directly. Next to that is the View All Bookings button, which acts as a shortcut to your full calendar management page. Below the header, you'll find your operational pulse. These 4 metric cards update in real time. You can instantly see how many parties are coming in today, track your volume for the week and month, and view your total bookings history. It's a great way to gauge your restaurant's performance at a glance. Moving down, we have your daily agenda. The Today's Bookings section will list every party scheduled for the current day. Just below that is upcoming bookings. This gives you a heads up on reservations for the next 7 days. If the list is empty, like you see here, it simply means you're all caught up. When active, you'll see customer names, times, guest counts, and reservation status right here. Finally, at the bottom of the dashboard, you have deep links to powerful management tools. The customer directory lets you search and view detailed information about your guests, helping you build better relationships. And for administrators and owners, you'll see the View Analytics card. This takes you to detailed performance insights to help you grow your business. And that's your TableReserve dashboard. Simple, clean, and ready for service. Let's get started.